guys, this is JLQB and this is gonna be my Yuxin Huanglong 55M unboxing. Yeah, I'm decently excited about this package. I highly doubt it's gonna be better than this VOC 5, and it's just another 5x5 that I'm gonna have. But yeah, there's nothing too special about it. Just a new, 5x5. So yeah, there's just a 5x5, so I guess I'll go ahead and get into this package. Also, if any of you are wondering about my results from the last comp, I will have that up in another video, like over some salts or something, or just something in a description. Like, most likely tomorrow or Saturday. I'm not gonna be busy. Yep, here is the box. That has an M, I guess to clarify that's the magnetized one. And here's a card. I just got this with my coupon thing for my podiums, but whatever. This looks really similar to the Yuxin Huanglong Pyramix box. Give me a second. As you can see, this is the Pyramix box, and they look really similar, and I honestly really like this design. It looks really clean. I like the gold color all around. It just looks really nice. I just wish that this was imprinted on this instead of just having a sticker. But yeah, so yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and get into this cube. There's plastic wrap. Also got these other two, just the test them out to see how good they are. Let's see, what is this? Oh, the little rings for centers and extra magnets, just a bit. It has the same Yuxin logo as this did. Why was I moving that? I have no idea. Is there anything at the bottom? Can you get this bottom out? Let's see. It's probably not supposed to come out, and I think that's correct. Yeah, just forget about that. Here's the 5x5, nice shades. It's also a millimeter or half millimeter bigger than the VOC 5. A little bit of lube on the outside. Let's see, having trouble? Yeah, that's probably a millimeter bigger. And compared to that, Yuxin, they actually have pretty. Ooh, that blue is a lot darker on here than on the little magic. Same with the red, and the yellow is a tiny bit darker. It's hard to see on the camera, but yeah. So VOC 5 sort of has that like crispy feeling, sort of like the VOC Power 3x3 and the VOC 4 4x4. Yuxin, just a little cheaper, but also pretty fast with very light magnets. Also probably the best budget magnetic 5x5 on the market. Let's go ahead and get in turns on the Huanglong 5. Well, those magnets are actually quite light. And that is really dry. That's weird. Yeah, there's no lube in this whatsoever. Also a little loose. Well, I guess loose. Yeah, I can't tell. It feels so weird. Like it feels tight, but as you can see, it's fairly loose. And the magnets quite light. Not gonna lie, like similar to the Yuxin, but of course the Yuxin, the magnets feel stronger after lube was applied to the cube. So I believe that this will lube or something will make it magnets feel stronger. I bet Solaritas might actually do pretty well on this. I'll put some Solaritas just to like see what it feels like. And I don't think it has any good. It doesn't have any spring noise, so I may not have to lube the springs, even though I'm probably most likely going to anyway. But out of the box, it's a little weird. I feel like the budget one was actually better than this one out of the box. But yeah, not much to say about it at the moment. at it, I'll go ahead and try Type Solaritas. Still have to say the magnet still feel quite light. Yeah, the magnet still feel quite light, but I'm pretty sure it'll be getting better with breaking, hopefully. And yeah, not much to say. But yeah, this is a pretty decent 5x5 if you're not willing to spend too much and you want something a little better than something like the Little Magic. I recommend getting this one, I guess. You know, it has pretty similar characteristics towards the Little Magic. But yeah, it's not a bad 5x5. I don't think it's gonna be like, but I feel as if it's a minor upgrade to something like the Yuxin. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. There's not much to say about this, but yeah, another video soon with my competition results. And yeah, that's all I have for today.